How to log into your Bunq Bank account on a new phone. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Bunq account is logged out of your old device. Then from there, on your new device, you can simply install the application, which you can get it on your Play Store or App Store. Then open the application. So after opening the application, here what we're going to do is simply add in all of the credentials of our Bunq account. So please make sure to remember all of your credentials, right? So in here, you can simply tap on the login button on the top right corner, and all you need to do is simply add in your email address or phone number, right? So after adding down your email address or phone number, you can simply tap on next, and after doing that, there will also be the requirement of adding down your social security code, and there might also be a further process of adding down your necessary document details. So please fill up all of that and make sure that it is all right. And then finally, there will be the option of adding down your password. Simply do that, and then you can simply tap on login. And after filling up all of those necessary information, you can simply log into your Bunq Bank account on your new phone. So let's just say, in case if you have forgotten your social security code, you can tap on the option forgot your security code right here, and then go along with the process of adding down your mail address or your phone number, and then go along with the process of how you will actually be able to reset it. And just like that, you'll be able to log into your Bunq Bank account on your new phone. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.